In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purge Cloudflare cache, an essential task for ensuring that your website displays the most current and accurate content to your users. When you make changes to your website, whether it's updating images, altering text, or tweaking design elements, sometimes old versions of your site can still appear. This happens because Cloudflare, a popular content delivery network and security service, keeps a cached version of your site to deliver it faster to visitors. Purging the cache ensures that your audience sees the latest updates without delay. First, you'll want to log in to your Cloudflare account. Head over to dash.cloudflare.com and enter your login credentials. If you have multiple accounts or manage more than one site, make sure you're logging into the correct one. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard, which is your control center for managing all things related to your website on Cloudflare. On the left side of your screen, there's a sidebar. This is where you'll see a list of your domains or websites linked to your Cloudflare account. To proceed, you'll need to select the domain you want to work with. It's crucial to make sure you've chosen the correct domain, especially if you're managing numerous sites, as purging the cache affects all the content and data for that specific domain. Next, navigate to the caching section. You can do this by looking through the top menu options or the settings in the sidebar. Once there, you should see an option labeled Configuration. This is where you can manage how your cache is handled, including options for custom cache settings and the ability to clear the cache. Click on Purge Everything. This button might sound a bit drastic, and that's because it is. By purging everything, you're instructing Cloudflare to clear out all existing cached content for this particular domain. This ensures that old, potentially outdated content is entirely removed, making way for the most recent and up-to-date versions of your website's files to be served to your visitors. After clicking Purge Everything, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. It's always a good idea to double-check if this is what you want to do, especially because this action cannot be undone. Once confirmed, Cloudflare will begin the cache invalidation process. The great news is that this only takes about 30 seconds to complete. With the cache now purged, you can rest assured that your audience will access the most current version of your site the next time they visit. This simple yet crucial step helps improve user experience and ensures that visitors are interacting with your latest content updates, maintaining both the relevance and functionality of your website. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for more helpful tips on managing your online assets efficiently.